Nominations for the 2024 Australia Day Awards are now open on Council's website. There are 6 categories to nominate someone who has made a difference in our community and deserves recognition for their achievements and contributions. Categories include Citizen of the Year, Young Citizen of the Year, Community Event of the Year, Glenn Johnson Memorial Award, Arts and Music, Sports Awards, and Volunteer Service Award. Australia Day nominations close Thursday, 30th of November. 3 new sculptures were recently installed in Mudgee following their selection at last year's Sculptures in the Garden event. Stallion was installed in Lawson Park West, while the Birdman and Familiar adorn the Mudgee Art Precinct surroundings. Council proudly supports Sculptures in the Garden, acquiring pieces since 2013, with the public art collection now expanding into Ralston. A range of electric vehicle charging stations were recently installed throughout the region to support the use and uptake of EV technology. This includes 2 180 kilowatt NRMA EV fast charging stations in Council's Short Street car park. These chargers form part of the national EV charging network being delivered and co-funded by the NRMA and Australian Government. This installation saw the 100th EV charger being made operational with the NRMA's expanding EV charging regional network. A new amenities building was recently constructed at the Ralston Caravan Park. The new amenities building, including toilets, showers, laundry and more, was recently completed as part of the Stage 1 upgrade to enhance visitor services. Council secured $154,525 worth of funding from the New South Wales Government's Stronger Country Communities Fund and contributed $499,809. Stage 2 will extend roads, add 5 additional cabins, utilities, parking and more, starting later this year and concluding by June 2025. A new building with cafe, kiosk and reception office was recently added to the Cudgegong Waters Park, along with a new car park. This expansion enhances amenities for campers and day visitors, making it a more attractive destination for recreational activities at Windermere Dam. Council received $500,000 from the New South Wales Government's Resources for Regions Fund to complete this project. A new road and shared pathway connecting Glenwillow Regional Sporting Complex to Putabooka Road recently opened to the public. This project, which includes a bridge over Lawson Creek, now provides residents an alternate route into and out of the sporting complex, improving accessibility and both vehicle and pedestrian safety. Council received $3.11 million from the New South Wales Resources for Regions Fund and $1.68 million from the Australian Government's Local Roads and Community Infrastructure Program for this project.